To the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is calling out a particular person, and she's saying that she doesn't want that person to be calling her friend's name, and that the friend didn't like that individual when she was alive. And so it seemed like the person is calling Marcia's name and her friend's name, but Marcia does not want that to happen. She doesn't want the person to call her friend's name. So go ahead and go catch the video. And remember that Marcia is still seeking assistance to help her to go to her friend's funeral. If you're able to assist, please do so. Her information is on screen. That would be her Cash App is Everblessed Curly, or you could WhatsApp her on 516-412-1861 for further information on how to donate to her to help, her to get to the funeral of her best friend. Guys, if you can help, do so. All right? And just want to wish you guys a happy and wonderful evening.
And don't call my friend name out. What you know about me and my friend? Yeah? Where you take this thing for? Yeah? Where you take this thing for? Yeah? You think she come on social media come beg food for them? Yeah? You all stinking gambler, compulsive gambler, go get treatment, bitch. You sit down off in a gambling house every motherfucking day with your big thinking, so for to think up the place them. You're nobody. Don't call her name out. Every day, you're there on social media going like you're somebody when you're there in the country in a carousel. Where you give where you pitney them like a blood clot dog puppy. 3 pitney you give in a carousel. You give them like a dog blood clot puppy. And sit down in a blood clot gambling house every day, a gamble in a casino. With your big thinking so forth. You can't chat nobody. Go sit down, motherfucker. You're nobody. Every day you sit down for my name. Nobody, don't call her name out. She don't like you. She call on a bunch of drunk, low life people. That's what she call on. And she said, no, call your name out. Not even about last week when I tell her one to talk. Say. She said, Marcia, tell himself in them look a low life drunk, don't call my name out. Don't call my name in them out. Me not like them. No call their name in them out. Me not in a mix up. You never come buy money from me and not like a that or whatever it is. Everybody, every friend when me have. Where you take this thing for? You see all these years me I travel? She live where you want to tell me, say? All my life, all the years me have my friend and traveling a friend just because Arlene at one point. He give me something for my birthday. All of a sudden one supporter come up. You think I support this? And invite me on a trip. Now I'm going to come and take it around like everybody when me there around them a sponsor me. Who you talking to? Me I work all my life, bitch. And you walk a beg. Up until today, you not even have immigration paperwork to travel to Jamaica. You come and talk. And you is illegal in the people in the country. Illegal people for shut up. But neighboring country. She don't know you. When you come and call up her name every day for your page. Don't call up her name and look content. Go suck your blood clot, mama dirty woman. Bright, out order. That's what I say. Bright and out order. With your fucking ugly self. You look a thinking mouth. Go look money if you go look after your fucking foot. The time you did your gambling in a casino, you go get some blood clot lamp oil. And go say if you report Psalms 37 out of the Bible and put it on your ass foot. You motherfucker. You can't talk about the body. You're bright. Don't call her name. Miss sorry, so me never have a phone. And you hear something. I want I want face the woman that. She defend her friend all the time on social media. In a voicemail. Me not ask you. So let me tell her what time it is. She call on a drunk or low life. Especially you and the 2 boys them over social media. Yes, that's what she don't want the condolences from you. But condolences, the family don't want no condolences from you. Fuck off, you bitch. You're bright. But you over there about I call these 10 people name out. Got name blood class shit girl. And that's what you go do. All of who know we come up here, come and chat about or get a job and go get this or whatever it is. Go name shit this Friday morning. And go suck on the manhood and get out and move from here, so. Yes, that is it. Bright and out order. On all bitches that come out and come and chat about, go get a job. I thought you a big deal. Me a blood clot big deal, said we. I no can't stop my blessing. No time at all, no can't stop my blessing. Me a big deal, said we. You can't stop my blessing. I don't care what no one say. Me a big deal. You can't stop my blessing no time at all. That's why I say go suck your mama, your daddy. Whether dead or alive. Go dig them up and go suck them. That's what I say. Big dirty foot man. That's what I say. That's what I say. Come beat me, bitch. Come beat me. And she don't like you. She don't like you. She call you a drunk or a low life. That's what you is. She say you's a drunk and a low life woman. And don't call her name out. That's exactly her word. You's a drunk and a low life. And don't call her name. That's what she had said last week. When me relate the message where you and your dirty boss are on social media. Don't call her name out. And I can make sure forward them to some people. If you make them hear what she think about you know. She don't want to the family don't want to condolences, don't want to condolences, but you fuck off. You like a stinking photo man. I don't call my name out. You what happen? You come past social media. Your blood clad non-alien bitch. In a carousel live like dog and a fuck down the whole place. Well, nobody don't want you with the dog them. Sit down pan casino every day a gamble. Are you for blood clot to come past social media? Non-relevant pussy hole like you. Are you for come up here and get money every day? Eh? So me know who is the big deal boy. Yeah? And me feel they sit down for how much years and I entertain with my good comedy. And my good entertainment. And me come out here and tell my supporters them. Say, if you help me, you want to come over there and talk shit. Go suck your dog them way around you. And that you figure do. And that you figure do. Listen to me, God. You're getting up on my fucking nerve now. Get the fuck off of my page right now. God Campbell, come off on page and don't write one Ross. How much time it tell us if you don't write one blood clot boy? Yeah? Don't write nothing. Do not write nothing on my page. Don't write nothing on my page. Don't write nothing. Me know why you write nothing on my page. Don't write one fuck on my page. I tell you this morning. No write nothing about you. Me glad me ain't a fucking relative. Or any farmer relative. Because my name blood clot Haman. My name no Campbell. That I'm adapted name. No write one pussy clot up here. This morning. That's what I say. No write nothing. No, don't write anything. Let me drink my coffee. That's what I said. So anybody wants to contribute towards my trip, the cash app is there in Israel. But no don't call. She don't like you no. She don't like you no. Me I telling her straight up. She don't like you no. She don't like you no. No time at all. Alright, since I said it there, right, said we. You chat too fucking much. That's it. She don't like you no. Me not care what I say. I don't care. Me see someone wanna come and I type up on my page them and my video and I type up and I type up and I type up and I type up. Uno could I type until tomorrow man no can't stop my blessing. Uno could I type up until tomorrow morning. You could have type up until tomorrow and you can't stop my blessing. I don't know how where them all fire come out from. But look for uno. Look for uno. Uno must come on social media Scammer and thief and general from A to Z, if it's supposed to come on social media, can't get money. And me who come out as who's an entertainer, hacks for something, me not forget it. What kind of bubble clot this? But you forget to scam and thief and general on social media. I make sure me not call no foul. Who the cap fit let them blood clot wear it? Scammer and thief and general, them supposed to come on social media and collect money from blood clot US and them nah give nothing. Me who I give contents creator out here and I give joke and comedy or whatever, and me come out for something, me not forget it. But you can't give it to scammer and blood clot thief and general on social media. Is that so? Well, me going to make it clear. I'm going to make it clear as a bell. Me deserve it. And if I do not get the help that I need to go to that place because the hotel is very expensive, me can't tell you say a big changes on social media. And the good have to suffer for the bad. Big changes on social media when it comes to me. It will be a great loss when it comes to me. Me not ask you. If Una don't come through for me, as to get me what I need to go on that trip, it will be a great loss on social media. Because all I have to do is to go into my videos them and chop up it and promote it on my page. Me can't tell me that. If I don't get to take that plane Monday and get everything that I want with the help of the help that I reach out here, social media would never be the same again. Me I telling that right now. Social media would never be the same when it comes to me. I can buy myself alone. Social media will never be the same. Trust me. I just do peer posting. No live. And see how not get money in the pocket. I wanna get money in the pocket. Peer I going to see who not go stream, or who not going to get contents. I go and I post peer whole contents. Peer cut up my revival them and my sinting them and peer whole contents I share. I go and see. I bet you on a paycheck go down. I bet you on a paycheck go down. Me say I go in my whole video them and I chop them up. And trust me, me have contents like crazy. I don't have to make one low live. I am happy we can enjoy social media. You understand? So I can. So, me I telling you, it will not be the same. Yes, it will not be the same. Me say no call her name. Uno don't call her name in our mouth. Uno is a you see them people in my guy hell now. A drunk people them. A guy hell. That's what it is. So anybody out here, anyone out here at all, and big up to the people who donate already. You understand? Big up to the people who donate already. Big up to the people that donated already. All the people who give a early birthday present. I put this as a early birthday present. My birthday is about a week or so away. Put it as a early birthday present. And that is it. Hotel is very expensive down there. It's a heart of the holiday. Very expensive. Very, very, very expensive. You understand? Wanna come up here and try if go get a job. Go get a job. Wanna go get a job too. That is it. Go get a job too. Someone wanna stop telling the pussy out there. Me not sell pussy. Some of you stop thief and scam. That's why you can't so relax. Because you work on a man government. Me not work on a man government. Me a single man. Yes, me a single man. So you go and go sell no crutch. Me not go sell no crutch. No bright out order. Me sorry Nadine. Nadine said don't listen to these local low life people because them not going anywhere and them very unhappy. But Nadine, me have to trace them off this morning. Me sorry. Me have to break my little rules. Me have to break my little rules this morning. No, she don't want no condolences from you. She don't like you. She say you're a low life drunk. She don't like you. No listen to that little low life drunk woman. She don't want no condolences from you. Stop call up my friend name in your mouth. I see him where you get up and a call up Harley name. Everybody where you see around me. I saw you tell Wally Palai per Harley in the other day because you see me a new man, a friend, and I travel overseas. You understand? Me who carry my money and spend up my money too. She come and tell herself she make Marcia pen up her money too and whatever it is. You never stop because the woman in her mind you and I send $200 money come give you a carousel because you know so she kind and as soon as she cut you off and tell you say talk about Marcia like that. You turn against the woman and come out of social media come fabricate story with your fucking little ugly self. You come out here, come twist up story. Now you jump on my friend name. Leave my friend out of this. She don't like it. She say you're a low life drunk. I want face the girl that, you know. You think Nadine face, you know? You understand? And that she called last week. You're a low life drunk. When me go over there and tell her, say, when you and your boss are talk about. Me have the recording. She say you're a low life drunk. Don't call her name in her mouth because she not in a Facebook mix up. And me no borrow nothing from her. I have the money for her. That's what she call you, a low life drunk. Me sorry, me never have a phone. That's what she call you, low life drunk. And don't call her name in her mouth. Seeing where you come on social media can create havoc and a walk and tell lie on people. Seeing where you do Arlene said we. Seeing where you do my friend. At the time. Same way you come out here and create. Anytime you can't get money from people again, you turn against them.